If you're planning to upgrade your backyard, patio, or garden space, you might be surprised by how many outdoor living products are available online today. In this video, we're browsing through some of the most interesting outdoor products currently available on the Home Depot website, including patio furniture, hot tubs, kids' playground equipment, and backyard accessories. Home Depot has become one of the largest destinations in North America for home improvement and outdoor living products. Many homeowners visit the site when they want to transform their backyard into a relaxing outdoor space. Looking through the product listings, one of the first things you'll notice is the variety of outdoor furniture available. There are sectional patio sofas, outdoor lounge sets, and comfortable seating designed for decks, patios, and garden areas. These furniture sets are usually made with weather-resistant materials, allowing them to stay outside throughout the seasons. Another category that stands out on the page is outdoor hot tubs and spa tubs. These are designed for homeowners who want to create a resort-style relaxation area in their own backyard. Many of the models include seating for multiple people and features like bubble jets and temperature control. For families with kids, there are also plenty of backyard play structures available. These include wooden playground sets, slides, climbing frames, and swing sets designed to create a fun outdoor play area. Some of these playground systems even include towers, rope ladders, and multiple slides to give children a mini adventure park right at home. You'll also find trampolines and outdoor games that can turn your yard into an entertainment space for the whole family. Another popular category is patio accessories. These include outdoor umbrellas, garden decorations, outdoor lighting, and decorative cushions that help personalize your backyard space. Some listings also show pergolas and gazebos, which are great for creating shaded seating areas during hot summer days. If you enjoy outdoor dining, there are also patio dining sets and garden tables available that can make your backyard perfect for barbecues and family gatherings. What's interesting about browsing these product listings is that you can see how many different ways there are to design an outdoor space. Some people prefer a cozy lounge area with sofas and cushions. Others may want a kid-friendly backyard filled with swings and play equipment. And some homeowners want a complete outdoor entertainment space with a spa tub, seating area, and decorative lighting. Another helpful feature on the Home Depot website is the customer review system. Many products include star ratings and detailed reviews from buyers, which can help shoppers decide which products might work best for their needs. Reading these reviews can provide useful insights into build quality, assembly difficulty, and long-term durability. If you're currently planning a backyard upgrade, browsing through outdoor living products like these can give you plenty of ideas and inspiration. Whether you're looking for patio furniture, kids' play sets, or relaxing outdoor spa options, there are many different products available to explore. If you'd like to see more outdoor living products and current deals, you can check the Home Depot website through the link in the video description. You can browse different categories and find products that might help transform your backyard into a comfortable outdoor retreat. And if you enjoy videos about home improvement, outdoor living ideas, and backyard inspiration, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.